Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create out-on office in Google Calendar. Let's start. Open your Google Calendar. This is the desktop version or browser version of Google Calendar. You can click it, and here we go. In order to create event, you can click this plus button. Click event or task, for example, or appointment schedule, and event here. So here you can try to create out of office event. You can choose the time. For example, let's choose the 20. You can discard. So here Monday 20 January 2025, then click create, click event. So here you can add the title out of office. So here you can adjust the time. Then here we go. You can click. You can adjust the time zone, or you click to does not repeat. And here you can add guests or add Google Meeting video conferencing, add location, add description or a Google Drive attachment. If you're done, you can click save. Or if you click more option, you can modify event or guest permission. Here guest permission, you can modify this event, and here you can get more detail. The description you can get bold, italic, underline, so on. So you get tag here. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and subscribe this button below. See you in the next video.